how much should you actually spend on a robotic pool cleaner? People happily buy the cheap ones, but end up returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Winnie Pool Cleaner. Let's kick things off with the Winnie Pool Cleaner. What caught my attention was its price at just $89.99, which is super affordable for a cordless robotic cleaner. If you want a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. This cleaner is designed for above-ground pools up to 650 square feet and comes with an advanced dual-stage filtration system. This means it can trap everything from fine silt to leaves, ensuring your water stays crystal clear. The strong cleaning power comes from its high-speed motor and dual scrubbing scrapers, effectively lifting debris without you having to lift a finger. It's also cordless and self-parking, which means when the battery runs low, it finds its way back to the edge of your pool. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 80-minute runtime means you can set it and forget it, freeing you up for other summer fun. Now, some people complained about the suction power not being strong enough for larger debris. Here's the thing though, if you mainly deal with leaves and dust, it's still a solid option. If you have larger debris, you might want to manually clean those out first. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller above-ground pool and want a hassle-free way to maintain it. Skip this one if your pool has lots of larger debris or isn't flat. For the price, it's definitely a good value. Now, if the battery life of the Winnie Cleaner bothered you, this next one might just be the answer.
Product number 2, Wybot C1. Next up is the Wybot C1, priced at $429.98. This one's a bit of a splurge, but if you want efficiency, it's worth considering. This cleaner is a 4-in-1 powerhouse that can tackle floors, walls, water lines, and even stairs in pools up to 1,614 square feet. With its powerful suction, it can lift sand, leaves, and algae with ease. The smart route planing is another game changer. It effectively maps your pool's layout for maximum coverage. You get about 120 to 150 minutes of runtime, which is fantastic for larger pools. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The improved suction and advanced navigation mean less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool. However, some users noted issues with the app connectivity. Here's the thing though, if you're not tech savvy, it might be better to stick with the manual controls. This is perfect for you if you have a large in-ground pool and want top-notch cleaning. Skip it if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or if you have a smaller room. It's a good investment if you want a cleaner that does it all. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a lightweight cleaner.
Product number 3, RoboClean X1. Now let's talk about the RoboClean X1, which comes in at $279.87. This one is lightweight and very user-friendly. What I love about this model is its dual 50-watt motors that glide effortlessly over floors and walls, covering pools up to 1,100 square feet. It has a direct dirt-to-suction port, which means it does a fantastic job of removing debris in just 100 minutes. The 180 mesh filter effectively traps both fine dust and larger leaves, reducing how often you need to clean. Here's why this matters for you. Hassle-free operation and minimal maintenance means you can spend more time enjoying your pool rather than cleaning it. But let's be real, some users mentioned its navigation could be better. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard pool shape, it really shines, and you're unlikely to face major issues. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly option that doesn't require complex setups. Skip this one if you have a very irregular shaped pool or need something heavy-duty. At this price, it's definitely a solid choice. Now, if the suction power of the last cleaner was a concern for you, wait until you see what's next.
Product number 4, Wybot A1. Next, we have the Wybot A1, priced at $169.99. This budget-friendly option has some impressive features. What stands out is its dual-layer filtration system, which boosts cleaning efficiency by 50%. It can clean pools up to 1,100 square feet and offers 4 different cleaning modes to suit your needs. The 130-minute runtime is pretty decent too. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a customizable cleaning experience without breaking the bank, the A1 has got you covered. However, some users reported that it can struggle with very fine debris. But here's the thing, if your pool isn't overly dirty, it's likely to do just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective robotic cleaner. Skip this if you have a pool with lots of heavy debris or deep cleaning needs. For the price, it's a great value. Now let's check out the last product, which is another affordable option, but with unique features.
Product number 5, Bayo P Long JQR. Last but not least is the Bayo P Long JQR, priced at $121.47. It's a great choice for those on a tight budget. What I found impressive is its weight. At just 8 pounds, it's super easy to lift and handle. It has a runtime of 120 minutes and can clean pools up to 1,000 square feet. The intelligent sensing technology adjusts its direction on contact with walls, which is a nice touch. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something lightweight and easy to maneuver, this is a perfect pick. However, some users found it struggles on sloped surfaces. Here's the thing though, if your pool is flat, you'll be very happy with its performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use, budget-friendly cleaner. Skip this if you have a sloped pool or need something with advanced features. For the price, it's definitely a solid buy.
So there you have it. We've covered 5 great options, from the budget-friendly Winnie to the versatile Ybot C1. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but there's something for every pool owner here. Whether you need something lightweight or a powerful cleaner, you can find the right fit for your needs. Happy swimming!